Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. I have my coffee ready. So in today's video, we'll talk about something very interesting, something that is being released already on a USA market only. I'm talking about the MAONO MA100. This is the mic activator, which has been sent it to me a couple of months ago, like 4 or 5 months ago. And I still have it here. I already did a couple of videos about this product, and now it's being released on the USA market. And it's time to talk about this product again. I have a couple of things that I want to discuss with you about this product. I tested the product, I use it with my Shure SM7B. I use it with cheap, small audio interfaces. Also, I use it with a really nice audio interfaces, mid-range, kind of professional ones. I'm talking about a solid state Logic. And actually, I do like this product. And let me show you now. I already did unboxing, first impressions. I really like the packaging of this product. As you can see, comes in a really nice box. It's all protected. This is the user manual that you have here as well. And I do like it. I mean, it's heavy. This thing is about 300 grams and the build quality is amazing. I do like it. Comes with the rubber feet, and it's a lovely product. And also, this mic activator is gonna give you 30 dB of clean gain. I'm gonna leave all my videos in the description down below, the like button, so make sure you watch all the videos that I did about this product. And the build quality is amazing, no complaints. This thing is rock solid. 10 of 10, this thing is amazing. The build quality is amazing and I do like it. Also, like I mentioned, I already tested it a couple of times with my Shure SM7B with the cheap audio interfaces. But it is amazing. I like it a lot. But a couple of months when I talked to MAONO, they said that this product will be released soon, which is already released in the States at the moment. I don't know when it will be released in UK, also in the other regions as well, Europe. They said that this product will be released and the price will be around $99. I'm a little bit not sure about the price, and also I'm gonna leave the link in the descriptions down below for the USA market if you wanna purchase this product. They priced it $89, which is, I don't know. That's why I want to talk about this product today, about the price as well. I mean, $89. But first of all, I just want to say that I do like the products. I already reviewed a couple of microphones for MAONO. Obviously not paid. They just send me the products to review. I like their products. They have a really nice products. They don't pay me to say that. They do have really nice products. But particularly this one, I think the price is not right. This is my opinion. MAONO, I hope you watch today's video. Personally, I think this product should be priced around $60 because the competition with the mic activators is madness. I'm gonna put on the screen a couple of mic activators here in UK, and you can buy a mic activator for £30, for £40, £50. You have the Clark Technique, you have the head, what is called the fat head, you have the Sub-Zero, or I'm gonna put a couple of mic activators. You have the Dynamite, you name it, and they're all priced around 50-60 pounds. This thing is priced $89, which personally I think this is a lot. The Cloud Lifter is around 140 pounds. I'm pretty sure that you can find used for the same price. So it's gonna be really tough to recommend this product because you can get pretty much the same thing for the half of the price. So I don't know, Maono, obviously they decide to price this product for $89. I know the quality is great, and this thing is really, it's gonna give you 30 dB if you want to run any ribbon microphone or any low microphone such as Shure SM7B. But it's gonna be very, very hard to recommend this product. Even I know this is an amazing product, but the price personally I think should be around $60 because it's gonna be very hard to recommend this product because, like I mentioned, you can buy pretty much the same thing for half of the price. Overall, this is a great product. They have amazing products, but the mic activators market now is booming, is crazy. There's about 10-15 companies that are doing mic activators, so it's really hard to recommend this, especially for the price. Other than that, this is amazing product. The packaging, the build quality, this thing is made properly. Obviously, you're not gonna be able to feel it, but this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy, and it's great product. So overall, I think this is my opinion. The price, I think, is quite high for the product because we have the cloud lifters from Blue, and end of the day, it's just gonna be very hard to get this product because obviously there's a lot of products cheaper than that. So I hope this can be good seller because end of the day it's a very nice product. But yeah, let me know, what do you think? This now is already out for the USA market. I'm going to put the link in the descriptions down below if you want to purchase this product. Once again, thank you, Maono, for sending this product like early to test it. And yeah, I'm gonna continue to use this product because yes, I like it. Again, this is not paid endorsement. I don't get paid to say that. But other than that, yeah, amazing product. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like today's video. I'll see you in the next video.